In this video, we're going to learn how to add and use the Bitmoji Chrome extension. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hi guys, welcome back to edtech on Demand. This is Kimberly, your favorite instructional technology coach, and we are going to take a look at Bitmojis. So Bitmojis really took off back in 2020 during the pandemic. Teachers began to use Bitmojis in their classrooms by creating Bitmoji classrooms and by putting these awesome stickers in their lessons. So I want to look at the easiest way to use these via the Chrome extension. So the first thing you want to do is to download this on your phone. So you want to download the Bitmoji Chrome extension either through the Apple Store or through the Android Google Play Store so that you can have access to all of these amazing stickers. And essentially what you want to do is to create your personal emoji, make it look like you, and you have your avatar. And from there, we are going to go over to the Chrome web store where we can download this Chrome extension. And as you can see, I already have it here, but you will see a button that says Add to Chrome once you get to the Chrome store and search for Bitmoji. And then you will be able to see this icon in your toolbar at the top. So here is my Bitmoji Chrome extension here. So this is where you'll find it. Now, if you do not see it, you will need to select your extensions icon and just make sure that the Bitmoji icon is pinned. That way it's going to remain up here at the top at all times. So now that you have downloaded the Bitmoji app on your cell phone, created an account, created an avatar, and you've downloaded the Chrome extension on your computer, now you are ready to use the Chrome extension. So you're simply going to select the Chrome extension and sign into the Chrome extension using the same username and password that you created on your phone. And now you have access to all of these amazing stickers. You can surely select the icons here at the bottom to kind of go through the different stickers, but you have your recent stickers at the top. You also have the most popular stickers that people are choosing at the time. So I'm just going to select these so that you guys can see what's here. And I just absolutely love using these. Students also love using avatars. I think it's great. It's an amazing addition to the classroom. Now, in order to get your stickers onto a Google Doc or a Google Slide or wherever you want them, you're simply going to right click on the sticker. You can save the sticker to your computer if you want to continuously use them over and over again, or you can copy the sticker and then paste it onto your slide. Okay, so there we have it. And for Google Slides, you do have to use the shortcut keys Control V, but there you have it. And of course, if you want to save it, I'm going to right click on it just to show you guys, save image as, and then of course you can choose where you want to save your Bitmoji. You can give it a name and simply save it. Okay. If you are loving this content and want to see more, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time edtech on Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.